A few weeks ago, I was just using technology in my daily life, but through Young Innovators Internship Challenge 7, I started understanding how technology can be used to build, innovate, and solve real world problems. Hello everyone, I am Suryansh Kumar, and this video is about my learning journey throughout YIIC 7. The journey began with an orientation session conducted by Disha Maroli ma'am, who guided us throughout the program and introduced us to the mentors before every session. This orientation gave us an overview of the exciting learning journey ahead and motivated us to actively participate throughout the program. The first session was conducted on the 19th of April by Akansha ma'am on the topic AI user to AI builder. In this session, I learned that AI is not just something we use in daily life, but also something through which we can create innovative solutions and projects ourselves. One of the most interesting parts of the session was learning about Google Teachable Machine. Through a fun interactive activity, it helped me understand how object detection models can be trained in a simple and practical way, even by beginners. We were also introduced to Replit and several other AI tools that can help in building projects, portfolios, and creative solutions without requiring advanced coding knowledge. The assignment for this session was to either create a portfolio using Replit or train an object detection model using Teachable Machine. The session also included an interactive quiz, which made the learning experience more engaging and enjoyable. The second session was conducted by Kshitij Mishra sir on the topic Thinking Like a Programmer. Although it was originally scheduled for 26th April, it was later shifted to 28th April due to some reason. In this session, I learned how programmers approach problems logically and efficiently, using concepts from data structures and algorithms. Sir explained ideas like linear structures, contiguous and non-contiguous arrangements, and degree of connection using LinkedIn network examples. Through these examples, I understood how large and complex problems can be solved more efficiently using smart approaches instead of checking every possible connection individually. This session helped me understand the importance of logical thinking, optimization, and efficient problem solving. The third session, conducted on 3rd May by Aditya sir, focused on the basics of web development. Sir shared valuable beginner-friendly insights into how websites actually work. In this session, I learned the difference between a website and a web page, along with the concepts of client-server communication. One of the most interesting learnings for me was understanding how a client sends requests to a server and receives responses back. Sir also explained APIs using a restaurant analogy, where the API acts like a waiter between the customer and the kitchen. This made the concept surprisingly simple and relatable. Along with this, I learned the roles of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in building modern websites. HTML provides the structure, CSS handles the design and styling, while JavaScript adds functionality and interactivity. At the end of the session, we also participated in a quiz that helped us revise and apply the concepts we learned during the session. The final session on 10th May focused on founder mindset. The mentor for this session, Lucky Soni, is the co-founder of Everraw Nutrition, featured on Shark Tank India, which made the session even more inspiring and insightful. This session taught me how successful founders think, research ideas, identify market gap and build products that create real value for users. I learned that entrepreneurship is not only about having ideas, but also about execution, consistency, creativity, and problem solving. One of the biggest takeaways for me was understanding how founders observe real world problems carefully and continuously work toward building impactful solutions. At the end of the session, we were given the assignment to create a video summarizing our learnings throughout YIIC 7, which encouraged me to reflect on everything I learned during this journey. One thing I realized throughout all these sessions was that technology is not only about coding or tools, it is about solving problems, thinking creatively, and building something meaningful for people.